Segment 21, advanced ruling. Advanced ruling again may or may not come. This is one area which is there but not yet tested in exam. I have not seen any question on advanced ruling over the last 4 to 5 attempts, but it is there in the syllabus. So if they want, they can ask any question on this. So first we need to understand in advanced ruling, what is this advanced ruling about? Advanced ruling is like, we are getting a ruling with respect to a particular issue, and what are the questions on which we can go for advanced ruling. If you see the index of this book, so supply chapter to registration chapter, just turn the pages and see the index of this book. So starting from supply chapter till registration chapter, lot of chapters are there na, supply, charge under CGST, charge under IGST, and thereafter value of supply, time of supply, place of supply, then so exemptions, composition scheme, then registration, tax invoice, correct? All chapters except place of supply. We can go for advanced ruling. Got it? Say this. What are the eligible questions on which we can go for advanced ruling? Supply, classification, valuation, registration, tax liability determination, time of supply, input tax credit, and applicability of notifications. So what are some ineligible questions? You tell me. Place of supply is ineligible question. Offence and penalties is ineligible question. Sir, I am planning to do this offence, so you tell me what is the imprisonment. Like that you cannot go for advanced ruling. So place of supply, penalties, appeals or returns, payment process, on this we cannot go for advanced ruling. And to go for advanced ruling we need to ask advanced ruling authority for advanced ruling. Is there any fee that is payable? Of course. How much is that fee? CGST 5,000 and SGST 5,000. And when we make the application for advanced ruling, they will pronounce a ruling, and it will be binding on whom? It will be binding on the applicant and the department. Okay. And suppose another person having the same question, so can rely upon this advanced ruling? No. So even another person having the same issue, they cannot rely upon this advanced ruling, they need to seek the advanced ruling. Perhaps the same person for another state need to get a separate advanced ruling, because advanced ruling that is obtained by him will be applicable only in that state, because we don't have central AAR, we have only state AAR. Geographical scope, state level authority, there is no central AAR, so separate AAR for each state. And whether this advanced ruling authority will be a single person? No, it is not a single person. There will be some members, and if there is any difference of opinion between the members, what will happen? In such situation, application shall be referred to AAR, Appellate Authority for Advanced Ruling. This is another authority. This is authority for advanced ruling. Next one is Appellate Authority for Advanced Ruling. So it will be referred to them. Okay. In Appellate Authority for Advanced Ruling, again there will be some members. If there is any difference of opinion between them, advanced ruling cannot be pronounced. You can see here. So possibility of difference of opinion among members. In such situation, it shall be deemed that advanced ruling is not possible on this issue. Okay. Then next, here this Appellate Authority for Advanced Ruling is also like state level. Of course, that is also a state level authority only. Now say this, first you are going for application to Authority for Advanced Ruling, possibility of difference, they will forward it to Appellate Authority, geographical scope state level, and when the application can be made? Before commencing an activity or with respect to an ongoing activity, we can make application for advanced ruling prior to carrying out an activity or in respect of ongoing activity. But whom? By whom? Either registered person or unregistered person. Withdrawal of application, no express provision. What is the time limit for pronouncing the rulings? 90 days from the date of application, they need to pronounce the ruling. Some more place we have discussed 90 days today. What is that? Compounding. So in case of compounding, once you make application for compounding, within 90 days they need to decide as to how much is the compounding fee that we need to pay. So just refer, and once they pass the compounding order, within 30 days we need to pay the compounding fee. So 90 days point is common for compounding as well as here advanced ruling also, within 90 days from the date of application. In offences and penalties, last page, compounding of offences, and in that compounding of offences you can see the time limit. Previous page, madam. in that previous page you can see steps involved. So below the compounding of offences, can you see that? What's the page number? 188. 188 you can find there. I have given. So 90 days. Here also there is 90 days from the date of application. Rejection of application. When they will reject the application, if the matter is pending in or decided by any court or tribunal. Say for example, right now there is one notice and the discussion is going on between me and the adjudication authority. For this issue, can I go for advance ruling? No, because already the notice is on, means the proceedings are happening, means the case is pending. So in that case they cannot pronounce any ruling, or the order has been passed. On that order I want to go for appeal, but rather than going for appeal, can I go for advance ruling? No. So it is like with respect to ongoing activity or an activity so which is yet to be commenced, we can go, but the proceedings should not be pending in any proceedings, like in any authority, either adjudication authority or appellate authority. See this, if the matter is pending or is decided by any court or tribunal, then authority name, next level authority is appellate authority for advance ruling. If there is any difference of opinion, then advance ruling cannot be issued. Geographical scope, that is also again separate AAR for each state. Time limit for appeal, what is the time limit? 30 days plus 30 days, it got repeated, just remove 30 days plus 30 days, we need to make appeal. And 30 days from where? 30 days from the date when we got the ruling, advance ruling. From there within 30 days, and it can be extended for a further period of 30 days. What is the fee? So here it is 5,000 plus 5,000, here it will be 10,000 plus 10,000, and again this ruling also will be pronounced within 90 days. Next, you can see here some special points in this regard. If a person is not satisfied with the ruling pronounced by AAR, that is, this appellate authority for advance ruling has pronounced the ruling, and if a person is not satisfied with the ruling, what they can do? Then they can file a writ petition. I told you, when the regular appeal is not possible, they can always file a writ petition and they can go. So regular appeal not possible. Even an unregistered person can make an application for advance ruling. Even if supply is already made, so advance ruling application can be filed, but only thing, remember that there should not be any proceeding which is pending, okay, or is decided. Then advance ruling is state wise and it will not be applicable in another state. For example, there is a registered person and who is having registrations in multiple states, say 4 states. Now he need to obtain 4 different advance rulings, yes, and to another person in the same state, even though the facts are same, he cannot rely upon this advance ruling, he need to obtain separately. And advance ruling is binding only on the applicant and the department, and advance ruling is valid till the time there is no change in law. Suppose if there is any change in law, any amendment has happened with respect to that particular section, for example whether an activity is supply or not, for which we went for advance ruling. Now section 7 got amended. When section 7 got amended, so this advance ruling will not be valid. Again we need to get a fresh advance ruling. Also remember, whenever there is change in the facts of our case, so initially we submitted at that time, so we are doing certain things. Now there is a change in the process or there is a variation in the facts, again we need to get a fresh advance ruling. If AAR and AAR find that advance ruling pronounced has been obtained by fraud or suppression of facts or misrepresentation of facts, then that particular ruling obtained will be void ab initio, means they have to give all the facts truly. Suppose they have hidden any facts and obtained the ruling, tomorrow department came to know that we have obtained the ruling by suppressing some facts, then in that case the ruling pronounced will be void and the department can take the action accordingly. That is about this advance ruling provisions.